Hey guys, today I'm here and I'm going to do a quick review on the Honey palette by Colourpop. Well, it's kind of a tongue twister. Here's what the palette looks like. Sorry, don't mind. Mine's kind of messy. It is what I have on today. You guys probably can't see it though because I got glasses on, but you know, it's okay. But I absolutely love this palette. We're going to get that right out of the way. I really like these. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to use these for sure, like, because I'm so fair if they'd look funny, but they actually look really, really great. I love how they come out. This color, even though it might not look if you got a lot in your brush, it actually is a lot. Because at first I was like, oh, this isn't really picking up that much. But then once I put on my lid, I realized it was a lot more than what I thought it was, so do be wary of that. I have nothing to complain about any of these shades. They blend beautifully. They come out great. Honestly, just as amazing. It's perfect for summer, even fall, because you can make like mustardy tones. Just beautiful. Highly recommend this. I think it's worth it. I love the packaging. I love the yellow. I didn't think I was going to, but I absolutely love it. I highly recommend this. I think it's just so perfect. Look at those colors again. Just so you guys can see. They're just so pretty. Again, don't mind, mine's like really messy because I use the glitter multiple times. I love glitters. I just think they're so beautiful, but I had no problem with any type of blendability, pigment, any of that. I think you guys will be very happy when you get this. But yeah, all around, 2 thumbs up. I think Colourpop did it again. It's a great job, and I recommend trying this palette out if you like these kinds of colors. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe because it means so much to me. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.